Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix the maintenance required light on your Toyota Sienna. First, turn your ignition to the on position, but don't start the engine. Next, locate and press the trip meter reset button. While holding that button down, turn your ignition completely off, then immediately back to the on position. Keep holding the button throughout this sequence. You should see the maint rect light flash several times, then disappear. Once it's gone, you can release the trip meter button. This indicates a successful reset. If the light comes back on shortly after, don't worry. Simply repeat the entire process from the beginning, ensuring you hold the button consistently. Remember, the maint rect light is primarily a reminder for routine service, like an oil change. If you've performed the necessary maintenance and the light still won't reset after multiple attempts, it's a good idea to have your Toyota Sienna checked by a qualified mechanic. They can diagnose any deeper issues that might be causing the light to stay on. Keeping up with your Toyota Sienna's maintenance schedule is crucial for its longevity and performance. Regular oil changes, tire rotations, and fluid checks prevent costly repairs down the road and ensure your vehicle runs smoothly for many years. Don't forget to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Investing in quality care for your vehicle and your feet always pays off.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.